Welcome to my YouTube channel. Ever heard the saying, move in silence and let success make the noise? In a world obsessed with showing off, working quietly has become a superpower. Think about this. The loudest people in the room aren't always the most successful. Real success is built in the background, away from the spotlight. In this video, we'll explore the 5 powerful strategies to work hard silently, stay focused, and achieve greatness without seeking validation from anyone else. Stay till the end, because the last tip could completely change how you approach your goals. Act 1. Why silent work is powerful. When you work in silence, you conserve your energy for what truly matters: execution. Instead of wasting time explaining your goals, you're channeling all your focus into achieving them. It's like planting a seed underground. Nobody sees the growth until the tree emerges. Think about it. Do you want applause for starting a journey or for crossing the finish line? Act 2. 5 strategies to work hard silently. Step 1. Set clear, personal goals. Don't share your goals with everyone. Write them down and keep them for yourself. The fewer people know, the less pressure you feel to explain your progress. Step 2. Build a routine, not a show. Success isn't about flashy announcements, it's about consistency. Build a daily routine that supports your goals and stick to it. Step 3. Learn, practice, and master. Focus on your craft. Whether it's learning a new skill or refining an existing one, let your progress be your secret weapon. Step 4. Avoid social media validation. Not every move needs to be on display. By avoiding constant updates, you free yourself from external opinions and distractions. Step 5. Let results speak. When the time comes, your achievements will do the talking. People respect results more than empty promises. Bonus tip. Here's the secret. Working silently also builds your resilience. When you don't rely on external validation, you become unstoppable. You're working for yourself, not for applause. Remember, success isn't about showing off. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. So, embrace the silence, trust the process, and let your actions do all the talking. Success isn't about noise. It's about results. Start today. Work hard, stay focused, and when it's time, let the world witness your greatness without saying a word. If this video inspired you, hit the like button and subscribe to Play and Practice for more tips on personal growth and success. And don't miss our next video.